Did you know that blurry vision, dry eyes, and even cataracts aren't always just aging? Research shows poor nutrition and hidden inflammation can quietly steal your sight. But there are 7 powerful herbs proven to protect eyes, cure dry eyes naturally, and restore clear vision starting today. In today's world of constant screens and digital devices, protecting your eyes has never been more important. Our vision is how we read, drive, shop, and connect with family. Yet factors like long screen time, pollution, and poor lifestyle habits can lead to serious vision problems, including dry eyes, blurry vision, and even early signs of cataracts. Many seniors ask, "How to improve my eyesight naturally?" Or, "What is the cause of dry eyes?" The answer often begins with nutrition and proven natural remedies for dry eyes. Herbs have been valued for centuries for their healing properties. Modern research now shows that certain herbs can help with eye protection, reduce the risk of dry eyes disease, and support vision improvement. Some are rich in omega-3 for dry eyes, while others provide vitamins for seniors that act as natural supplements for eye health. These foods and herbs can be powerful allies in macular degeneration prevention, offering safe, natural remedies for eye dryness and a way to improve vision naturally. In this video, we'll explore the best herbs and natural remedies for dry eyes, plus foods for eye health that support clear vision. By the end, you'll know practical steps you can use every day to protect eyes, fight blurry eye vision, and improve eye vision naturally without relying only on drops or expensive treatments. Let's get started with number 1, bilberry. This small berry is rich in compounds called anthocyanins, the pigments that give it a deep purple color. These anthocyanins act as powerful antioxidants, helping neutralize free radicals that can damage eye tissues. Protecting the retina and lens from oxidative stress is critical, since the eyes are constantly exposed to light and prone to conditions like dry eyes disease, macular degeneration, and cataracts. Research shows bilberry may support night vision and overall visual acuity. One reason is its ability to improve blood flow to the eyes. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients delivered to delicate structures like the retina. It may also strengthen tiny capillaries, lowering the risk of vision problems linked to weak blood vessels. Seniors looking for natural remedies for dry eyes or ways to protect eyes as they age can benefit from adding bilberry to their daily routine. How to use. Bilberry can be consumed fresh, as a tea, in capsules, or as standardized extracts. For vision health and eye protection, many specialists suggest 80 to 160 milligrams of standardized bilberry extract, 25% anthocyanins, taken 1 to 2 times daily. Combining bilberry with other foods for eye health, like leafy greens or omega-3 for dry eyes, may enhance results. By supporting circulation, reducing oxidative stress, and protecting the retina, bilberry stands out as one of the best foods for vision improvement and macular degeneration prevention. If you've wondered how to improve my eyesight naturally, or what is the cause of dry eyes, bilberry is a natural supplement worth considering for eye care and vision health. Number 2, ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba, also called the maidenhair tree, is one of the oldest living tree species and has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. The extract from its leaves is rich in flavonoids and terpenoids, compounds known for their therapeutic effects. While many people associate ginkgo with brain and memory support, research shows its greatest value for eye health comes from improving blood circulation. Good circulation is critical for vision. By helping blood vessels dilate and preventing clotting, ginkgo biloba improves microcirculation inside the eyes. That means more oxygen and nutrients reach the retina and optic nerve. This can lower the risk of problems tied to poor blood flow, such as glaucoma. Some studies even show ginkgo may slow visual field loss in people with normal tension glaucoma, offering neuroprotective support to the optic nerve. Beyond circulation, ginkgo is also a strong antioxidant. Its flavonoids and terpenoids act as free radical scavengers, protecting delicate eye tissues from oxidative stress. This may reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases like macular degeneration or cataracts. For seniors asking, "How do I improve my eyesight naturally?" or dealing with blurry vision, ginkgo is one of the most researched natural supplements for eye health. How to use. Ginkgo is usually taken as a supplement, often in capsule or tablet form. A common dosage is 120 to 240 milligrams per day, divided into 2 or 3 servings. Seniors should check with a doctor first, especially if they take blood thinners or other medications flagged by medical alert systems for seniors. Pairing ginkgo with vitamins for eyes, omega-3 for dry eyes, or other foods for eye health may enhance results. By improving blood flow, reducing oxidative stress, and protecting the optic nerve, ginkgo biloba offers a natural way to support long-term vision improvement and overall eye care. It's a safe, science-backed option for seniors looking for natural remedies for dry eyes, macular degeneration prevention, or a solution for blurry eye vision. But ginkgo isn't the only natural protector. The next herb has been called one of the best foods for eye health, especially for seniors struggling with dry eyes and vision changes. You'll want to hear this one. Number 3. Saffron. Known for its crimson threads, has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine to support overall health, including vision. Its benefits for eye protection come mainly from carotenoids, especially crocin. These natural pigments act as strong antioxidants, helping neutralize free radicals that damage eye tissues. Since oxidative stress and inflammation are 2 major drivers behind vision problems, saffron may play a key role in slowing down age-related damage. Research suggests saffron can help with conditions like age-related macular degeneration and retinal degeneration by protecting the retina and improving overall vision health. Some studies show saffron may even enhance visual acuity and light sensitivity in people with early-stage AMD, making it a valuable natural supplement for seniors worried about vision loss. Its anti-inflammatory properties are also being studied in eye conditions like uveitis, where inflammation in the middle layer of the eye can cause pain and blurry vision. How to use. Saffron can be added to food, brewed as tea, or taken as a standardized supplement. Most studies use 20 to 30 milligrams of saffron extract per day. Seniors can also mix saffron threads into warm milk or broth for easy daily use. Always consult a doctor before starting saffron supplements if you're already taking vitamins for seniors or other natural remedies for dry eyes. With its combined antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, saffron supports vision improvement, protects the retina, and may reduce the risk of macular degeneration. For anyone wondering, how can I improve my vision naturally, or dealing with dry eyes disease, saffron offers one of the best natural remedies for long-term eye care. But saffron isn't the only food that fights vision loss. The next item might surprise you. It's a simple ingredient that works like a natural remedy for dry eyes and can improve vision naturally. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric has been a trusted remedy in traditional medicine for centuries, and modern research now confirms why. Its active compound, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that directly support eye health. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in several eye conditions, including uveitis, diabetic retinopathy, and even dry eyes disease. By calming inflammatory pathways, curcumin helps reduce irritation and supports healthier ocular tissues. Studies have shown that curcumin supplementation may improve symptoms in people with dry eyes by reducing surface inflammation and easing discomfort. This makes turmeric a natural remedy for dry eyes and a potential solution for seniors struggling with eye dryness. The antioxidant benefits of turmeric are just as important. Oxidative stress is a major cause of age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading threats to vision in seniors. By neutralizing free radicals, curcumin helps protect the retina, safeguard healthy cells, and lower the risk of AMD progression. For seniors asking, "Why is my vision blurry?" or "How to improve my eyesight naturally?" turmeric is a safe and effective option to add to daily vision care. How to use. Turmeric can be used in cooking, taken as tea, or consumed in capsule form. For therapeutic benefits, many specialists suggest 500 to 1,000 milligrams of standardized curcumin extract per day, often combined with black pepper to improve absorption. Seniors can also add a teaspoon of turmeric powder into warm milk or broth as a simple home remedy. Always check with your doctor before starting supplements, especially if you're taking medications tracked by medical alert systems for seniors. By fighting inflammation, reducing oxidative stress, and protecting the retina, turmeric offers seniors one of the best natural ways to treat dry eyes and improve long-term vision health. And the next herb is even more fascinating. It's not just for eye protection, but also supports overall circulation and may help cure dry eyes naturally. You'll want to see this one. No. 5. Rosemary. Rosemary is more than just a kitchen herb. It's packed with bioactive compounds that support eye health. Its essential oil contains powerful antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, both of which help neutralize free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress, rosemary can protect delicate ocular tissues from age-related damage, including macular degeneration and cataracts. Inflammation is another major driver of vision problems, such as dry eyes disease and uveitis. Research shows rosmarinic acid may help regulate inflammatory pathways, making rosemary a valuable natural remedy for eye dryness and irritation. Seniors dealing with constant eye strain or wondering, "Why is my vision blurry?" may find rosemary especially useful in maintaining long-term vision health. Beyond fighting inflammation, rosemary also improves blood flow, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach the retina. Better circulation supports retinal health and may contribute to clearer vision. Interestingly, rosemary's aromatic compounds are also linked to better focus and concentration, which may indirectly reduce eye strain from extended screen use or reading, two common issues for seniors. How to use. Rosemary can be added to meals, brewed as tea, or used in supplement form. For eye protection and vision improvement, standardized rosemary extract is often taken in doses of 200 to 400 milligrams daily. Fresh rosemary can also be incorporated into soups, roasted vegetables, or infused in olive oil for easy daily use. Seniors should consult a doctor before starting supplements, especially if already using vitamins for seniors or medications tracked by medical alert systems for seniors. By combining antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and circulation-boosting effects, rosemary offers a simple and natural way to protect eyes, reduce dry eye symptoms, and support vision improvement naturally. But rosemary is just the beginning. The next herb is one of the best foods for eye health and has been shown to help cure dry eyes naturally. Stay tuned for number 6. Number 6. Dandelion. Dandelion is more than a common weed. It's a nutrient-rich herb that supports vision health in powerful ways. It contains high levels of vitamin A, which is essential for low light and color vision. A lack of vitamin A can lead to night blindness and other vision problems, making dandelion a natural source worth adding to the diet. In addition to vitamin A, Dandelion also provides vitamins C and E, both known for their antioxidant protection against oxidative stress. Its leaves contain carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which accumulate in the retina and filter harmful high-energy light, such as UV rays. These antioxidants play a direct role in protecting the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, two of the most common causes of vision loss in seniors. Dandelion has also been used in traditional medicine for its detoxifying properties. Its mild diuretic effect helps the body eliminate toxins, which may indirectly reduce strain on ocular tissues and promote clearer vision. However, because diuretic herbs can lead to fluid loss, it's important to maintain hydration and electrolyte balance if you use them regularly. How to use? Dandelion can be consumed as tea, in fresh salads, or in capsule form. Dandelion leaf tea is especially popular for seniors looking for natural remedies for dry eyes and vision improvement. A cup of dandelion tea once or twice daily is generally safe. Supplements typically range from 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day. Always consult your doctor before starting if you take other vitamins for seniors, medications, or use medical alert systems for seniors that monitor health risks. By providing antioxidants, vitamins for eyes, and natural detox support, dandelion is one of the best foods for eye health. It helps protect eyes against oxidative stress, supports vision improvement, and may even help cure dry eyes naturally when combined with other natural remedies. But don't stop here. The next herb on the list is considered one of the strongest natural supplements for dry eyes and vision issues. Number 7 may surprise you. Number 7. Fennel, the ultimate eye herb. Fennel seeds may look simple, but they're one of the most powerful natural allies for vision health. They're packed with vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, which directly supports the retina and helps with both low light and color vision. For seniors dealing with night blindness or asking, how do I improve my eyesight naturally? Fennel offers a practical answer. Along with vitamin A, fennel seeds are rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, flavonoids, carotenoids, and polyphenols. These compounds act together as antioxidants, protecting delicate eye tissues from oxidative stress, the hidden driver behind cataracts and macular degeneration. Seniors who include fennel regularly may see sharper vision, less irritation from dry eyes disease, and better long-term eye protection. Fennel doesn't stop there. By supporting circulation, it ensures the retina gets enough oxygen and nutrients, and by easing oxidative damage, it naturally fits into remedies for dry eyes. This makes fennel one of the best foods for eye health and the strongest natural supplement for vision improvement in seniors. How to use? Fennel seeds can be chewed raw, brewed as tea, or taken as capsules. A teaspoon of fennel seeds daily or a cup of fennel tea morning and evening is a safe starting point. Seniors using other vitamins for seniors or medical alert systems for seniors should check with a healthcare provider before combining supplements. That's why fennel stands as the ultimate secret in this entire list, the herb that brings together vision improvement, eye protection, and natural remedies for dry eyes all in one. By adding these herbs, bilberry, ginkgo, saffron, turmeric, rosemary, dandelion, and fennel, seniors can protect eyes, reduce dry eye symptoms, and maintain clear vision naturally. You don't have to rely only on drops, glasses, or expensive treatments. These natural remedies for eye dryness and foods for eye health give you real options to improve eyesight naturally, support macular degeneration prevention, and keep your vision strong. Imagine being able to drive at night without blurry vision, read a newspaper without eye strain, or enjoy time with your grandchildren without discomfort from dry eyes. By simply adding a few of these herbs to your daily routine, you can protect your eyes, safeguard independence, and keep your world clear and colorful for years to come.